drag and drop your two clips side by side, keep existing. Second, this is my another clip. If you want to match the time of both clips, you can drag here like that. Then crop first one. Go to effect and search here crop. Drag this crop effect on your first clip and crop. It's your choice. You can crop left or right. Let me choose from left is 50%. So let me play. You can also crop, it's your choice. You can crop clip 1 or clip 2 as well. And you can also change the position of clips using this value. Then click to empty area, and now we will add one small thin border in between both clips. So you have to choose this pen tool and mark on here and here. Alright, then go to shapes, and here are a stroke. You can change the color of stroke. It's white color, and you can change the border width and height. Width. Then go to selection tool, and you can match the length of your border as well. So in this way we can add two videos side by side with nice border. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.